It's been a while, but I just feel like trying to record to show you guys it's possible for you to start making consistent profit every day. Now, for those who are interested in learning how to do this every day, all you have to do is pretty soon my online course website will be available for you to start learning. I am trying to make it as much interactive as possible. Okay, while I'm waiting for the signal to show up, I think I can easily show you slow and steady. Remember, but the thing there is this: if you cannot trade successfully with $10, you cannot do it with $100. Now, if you look at the set of trades you're seeing here on the 10th, which is this one, it was done with $10. $10 to make like 7 cents. Then $10 was done successfully. So I'm trading now with $100 to repeat the same thing. $100 to make $7. Now, if I have made $7 3 times, it gives me $22. Can you get to be repeating this regularly? Can you get to do this every time? Yes, it's possible. Very, very possible. All you just have to do is stay with the rules. But the problem is that a lot of people want to make more. But okay, I've been waiting for a signal. I'm just waiting for it to be matured, and then I'll be able to make a trade. Just to show you. Okay, it's a low right now, and I'm going to show you the low I'm trading. But it's yet to get to 1/3. That's the strategy. It's not hidden. But people do not wait. Right now, I was waiting for it to get to 1/3, but it didn't get there. So, if it did not get there, will I trade? No. Probably I should show you guys. There's my camera. Sorry, I've been very busy doing so many things. I don't even know where my camera is. Okay, here is my camera. If it still gets to go down, I can still get to show you. Okay, can you see it? That's the low I'm waiting for, but it has pulled back. So if it pulled back, it means I'm not going to trade it. I was waiting for it to come. It did not come. It ends up forming a green bar. So I dare not trade it. You have to be patient. Patience is a key. What I trade is low. You see, this one I've traded it. This one you're seeing, I've traded it. I've traded the one that followed it as well. I've traded the one that followed. I've traded these 2, these 3. I've traded them. Those are the results you were seeing that I showed you. If this one completes a red bar and another one start off, I'm gonna trade it. Okay. It's been a while I come online telling whatever, but I'm just letting you know it's possible. You can learn how to do this, but you have to be patient. It's not everybody that is patient to learn. That is the problem. A lot of people are not patient to learn. If the signal is not available, don't bother yourself. Something is not sure. Why are you stressing yourself? Until it is available. That's when you trade it. So is it possible for you to be making 10,000 naira, 5,000? If you don't understand, this is $122. The $22 there is more than 10,000 naira. So what does that mean? I've just earned 10,000 naira today. Okay, I'm actually trading with profits. The $100 itself is a profit on its own. So you need to understand, everybody can do this. But if you want to do this, please try to learn. try to learn. My course will be available for you to learn. It's an online interaction. You don't need your basic requirement that you need are very simple. Just your mobile phone, good internet access, trading capital, and 1 month. Yes, 1 month. I said 1 month for you to learn. And while you are learning, I'll try to make available the copy trader for many people who would want to sign up for the course. If you want to sign up for the course while you are learning that 1 month, you can connect to our copy trader for free for that during the period of that 1 month, so that you can earn while you are learning. Because I've come to realize that a lot of people are in a hurry. Okay, they are in a hurry to make money, and because you are in a hurry to make money, consistency is going to be far from you. Okay, I have a copy trader you can connect to that's going to allow you to also be able to make, consistent profits. If it is not available, leave it alone until it is available. That's what is called patience in trading. You will be able, you can see the time for the trade, 17. All this trade that I did, all these 3 trades that I just did today, it's under 5 minutes. Under 5 minutes, I've made 10,000 naira. Can you do the same? Yes. And mind you, you can sell off your profit instantly. I don't wait. I sell them off. Okay, I collect my money. This is a pending order. I collect my money. I don't wait for it. You can see all the orders that have been sold in the past. Collect your money. Whether it's $10, you're looking at $20, it's too small. It's not too small. $20 is 10,000 naira. If you're making 10,000 naira every day, if you do that for 10 days consistently, you are going to make 100,000. And if you do that for 20 days, you're going to make 200,000. So if you are considering it to be small, it's slow and steady. That's how you win the race. So it's important you understand. You can easily cash out. You can easily collect your money, and you can also easily learn how to do this consistently. Make sure that you have 1 month free available to learn, to practice. Anybody that goes to learn how to become a professional, of course, you must leave room for failure, leave room for mistake, leave room for error. So don't be in a hurry. You want to learn, make sure you have at least a month of your time that you know it's free, that you can learn from, and you will be able to earn. So guys, I thought I would be able to show you a live trade, but signals are not available. So if they are not available, I don't bother myself. I don't bug myself. I've learned not to be overdoing just because I'm trying to show some people how it works. If you believe, you believe. You don't believe, well, that's your problem. It doesn't stop my earning. God bless. A trade, a single trade. I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting for it to actually materialize, just to show how the trade is being picked. It's not yet there. Okay, now it's there. It's at 1/3, and I've already made my entry. Okay, so let's go and see. I enter at the bottom. That's fine. So we'll wait for it. I like waiting, so I enter at the bottom. So okay, I had to wait for it so that you get to see it. That's why I paused. I didn't want the video to be too long. So I've just been able to make 7% using TMN Media strategy. Okay, you were seeing I had $122 before. I was waiting for a signal, and I'm going to show you I've already shown you the low. So it's just for me to wait for a signal. Okay, that's another signal for 50 index, but I've already done about 4 trades already, so I'm done for the day. I need you to understand. So how much is $30 if I want to sell $30? Very simple. How much is $30 if I want to sell $30? So let's say today I've traded, I've made, where is calculator? I've made $30 and I'm selling at maybe 515 naira per dollar, and I sell $30. That's 15,000 naira. 15,000 naira for the day. Hey, anybody can do this. But first, learn. Second, practice. Third, when you practice what you've learned properly, you'll earn. I decided to add the process of how I can collect the profit I just made right now. Oh, it has not reflected yet, so I need to reopen my app. Okay, I can get to sell on DP2P and cash out immediately. Okay, I can get a cash out immediately. I had to refresh it because of the new profit I made is not reflecting. That's why I'm refreshing. Now, once it's loaded up, I can easily come here to ads and create the ad. I'm selling. So I want to sell the profit, which is 30.31, right? So I'm going to sell it at 5.16. Let me even say 5.15. I'm selling everything at once. So you can see me entering my order stuff, right? Your bank details must have been inserted here, contact and instructions, everything included, and then I post the order. So I just want you to see the process of how you can be cashing out every day. I've placed the order. Okay, I have a pending order. This one I'm selling. I have a pending order I'm selling. The person is yet to respond. It's taking too long. Now you can see immediately they've taken the $30 immediately. I wanted to first show you this is it, but they've taken it. Somebody has already taken it. You can see it here. Somebody has already taken it. Now the person can either contact you or they want to call, but I don't like all this call whatever, so I always tell them please go ahead. When they make the payment, I'm going to show you. Okay, so you'll see the payment. So you tell the person please go ahead. The person makes the payment. Voila. Will you confirm that you have received the payment? You release the. Now you see that this we says is waiting for payment until the other party confirms that he has paid. Then we'll move to the next phase, whereby I will be able to say, oh, okay, I've received the money. Okay, it's very simple. Every day you can be cashing out 10,000, 5,000, 20,000, as low as $10, as low as even $5. So slow and steady. So I'm going to pause. Once this person complete his payment, I'm going to pause, show you the confirmation of my own payment from my own hand, and then how I release it. And that's a whole process of trading. Okay, so I'm going. You can see the person here. He said he has paid. Okay, he said he has paid. Now, all I need to do before you click on I have received payment, please confirm the payment. So I'm going to go to my own app. Okay, I'm going to go to my bank app, and I'm going to try and confirm that I've actually received his money. That's all you need to do. Go to your bank, check, have I received the money, and you are fine. So you check if you have received the money and you are good. So I'm coming to my bank and I check, okay, you can see his money here. I've received the money, and you can see it is 15,609. So I have received 16,600, exactly the same money. All I need to do is click on I have received. I have received it here. Have you received payment? You have to confirm. You have to confirm it first before you release. Okay? Else, binary is not going to be able to help you. So I'll click on I have confirmed. Now the selling process is done. It's complete. The money has left my own account to his own account. Now he has received it. Case closed. Can you see now I'm back at $100? Have I made my withdrawals? Yes. This is how you can get to be trading. And every day you are cashing out. And if you don't want to be cashing out every day because it's small or whatever, you cash out every week. It's slow and steady. Don't rush anything. So it's as well as I'm going to work, I'm being paid. Okay, I've gone to work this morning, I've been paid 15,000 naira. I don't close work. I'll resume another work tomorrow. So God bless you, and I'll see you on the other side.